Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. I just wanted to show you guys where I'm living. I figured I would start with the rooftop deck and work my way down towards the apartment. So, I shouldn't say most, a lot of buildings, apartment buildings here, they have rooftop decks where you can hang out. Obviously, it'd probably be more pleasant at night, but this is just a view of the neighborhood. Remember, I'm in District 1, so District 1 is pretty huge, so I might come up here at night and see what it's like. But down below is the neighborhood. Nice little breeze going on up here. So yeah, this is a place to go. I'm going to show you guys the apartment. Got to go down the stairs to access the elevator. So each floor has two apartments. So there's one, there's another one, and it's all accessible with your key card. So to come up here, I actually needed to walk up the stairs. However, to go down, it's okay. So I can access with the key card my floor, which is the first floor. And then obviously the ground floor doesn't need a key card. So this building has 11 apartments, 2 on each of the floors, 1 through 5. And then the ground floor has 1 apartment. So here is my apartment. Again, we have the key card. All right. So, the first thing I'll show you guys, we got the bathroom. We get hot water. There's a tank on the top of the building where the water heats from the sun. Got a toilet, sink. And over here, we have the kitchen. We got a refrigerator, microwave, sink, a lot of cupboard space, a lot of space down below. I don't use the kitchen much, as you can see. There is a stovetop to do some cooking on. Again, I don't do a lot of cooking, but basically to turn it on, you got a switch there. And then you can program it however you want. We got the bed. We got a couple of closets. We got a lot of closet space. We got the closet there. The TV. The apartment came with a TV, but it wasn't the best TV in the world, so I got myself a Samsung TV. Internet, cable TV, water, it all comes with the rent, so I don't have to pay any of that. This apartment came furnished. I don't own any of this stuff. I don't own the couch. I don't own the table. I don't own the work area. I do get these large bottles of water. So I get 4 of them a month that I can use for drinking. One good thing, this right here, this is air purifier. You need it here in Saigon. The air is not very good. Yeah, my little dolls for my teaching online. I don't do much of it anymore, actually, but I don't want to throw that away. I got 2 laptops. The one on the left is for work. The one on the right is for personal use. I don't know, my little office area. I did buy this chair. I need a comfortable chair to sit on when I do teach. The original chair that was there was this here, and it's not comfortable to sit in for hours and hours. This one is padded, so that helps. Out here, I'm on the first floor, so unfortunately I don't get much of a view. Yeah, there's my view, everybody. But I got a little balcony there. And my washing machine is out here. A lot of apartments in Vietnam, they either come with a washing machine or you get laundry service with your housekeeping. Oh, by the way, I have a housekeeper that's included with the rent. I hang the clothes up there to dry. So, yeah, I get house cleaning 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There's the air conditioner system. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday they come in. They sweep, they mop, they clean the bathroom, clean the kitchen. 3 times a week is a little bit excessive, but that's okay. And then the bedding there, they do change the bedding once a week. So once a week they'll change the sheets, the pillowcases. They'll also change out the towels and the hand towels. So not bad. I think 3 times a week for cleaning might be a little bit excessive. Maybe once a week would be nice, but I'll take it. And the rent for this studio, that includes all the housekeeping, that includes cable TV, internet, the water, is roughly 8 million Vietnamese dong, or about $350 a month, pretty much. So, in the States, you're not getting anything like this for $350 a month. Definitely not with maid service and all the extras. In the States, in the Philippines, you're paying extra for your cable. You're paying extra for your internet. You're paying extra for your drinking water. You're definitely paying extra for maid service. So it is a good deal. It is a good deal. I wanted to show you one other part before we go. So as you know, in Vietnam, people, they like to ride their motorbikes. So we'll go down to the ground floor. All right. So we got a little seating area for guests. And then there's a parking lot for motorbikes. So there you go. So you come in that other door, and then you park your motorbike. And then as tradition goes in Asia, you put your shoes up before you go into your apartment. Again, these doors are operated by key card. Yep. So it is a secure building. You don't need security guards like you would in the Philippines. You need to use the key card 4 times to get into your apartment. And then we have our trash service there. So, all right. I just kind of wanted to show you my building a little bit. This is a typical building in Vietnam. They all mostly look like this. So, for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason. You guys take care out there, and I will see you next time. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, please.